Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to style your wig. So usually I use a water bottle, just a regular water bottle, and I added water to it, and then I use this. I got this from everything you see here I got from the beauty supply store, if you see the name. And then I use this anti-freeze, and I also use this, and then I just use a brush. It's pretty simple. You see the hair right now, it looks messy, and we're gonna fix it up. Keep on watching. First, you section the hair. I have these pins, so I pin the hair to prevent it from moving. Pin it anywhere, and then I spritz. Hold on. Spritz. And just comb it through with your fingers. Spritz. The curls are coming in nicer. And just continue to spritz. Get it wet, and then you can start applying this Lota Body Moisture Me Curl and Style Milk. Again, you can get it from the beauty supply store. So I do this. I keep combing it with my fingers, and you should feel that it's getting softer as you do that. Spritz more water as needed. And then I add this. Okay, I usually add this, but this is almost done now, so I'm just not gonna use it for this video. I only have a little bit left, and what I do, I twist it. And then I twist the hair, as you can see, just like that. I'm gonna do that for the whole head, and you guys will see. Nice, the curls look after you spray it. Looks so nice. So far I only did these 2 braids, and I'm not really using the brush because I don't think it's needed. The hair's not that hard, so I'm not gonna use it. Again, I'm continuing the same steps. Just split, spritz water, and add products. Then twist. The mannequin head is not secure because I don't have the thing to put under it. But that's okay. We'll manage. Okay. I have my cousin holding it for me because the head keeps moving. But as you guys can see, it's coming out really nice. If you guys don't have anyone to hold the hair for you, you know, you can manage to do it. You can also do it on your head. You know, you put the wig on your head and you style it. It's really not complicated. I just want to show you guys how to do it so that you can do it. And what I like about this hair is that it doesn't shed much, so that's good. Okay guys, this is the final result. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you on my next video.
Perfect.